How to convert PowerPoint slides to Word document. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how you can convert your selected slides to Word documents. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, open up your presentation, and right now I have 3 slides. So I can just go ahead and select up a slide from this section of your slides. So how many of you want to select, you can just go ahead and select that. And once you have selected up your slide, for example these, so you can just head over and open up your file, go to the file right at the above once you've selected it, and once you open this section on your screen, you'll be finding this interface. So what you can do is head over to the export section, and once gone to export, you'll be finding different options. Go to this create a PDF. So go ahead and select that, and once you have selected that, this will open up on your screen. So you can just go ahead and look up your file and go to the options section right here. And once you go here, you'll be finding these options on your screen. So what you can do is head over to the third option called selection once you have selected up your files. And after that is done, you can just go ahead and click on OK. And when you head over to your Word document, you'll be finding your Word document, your presentation converted into a Word document right there after you have completed the process. So therefore, you can also follow the same method in order to convert your presentation into a Word document. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.